Hello guys, in this video I'll show you how you can play Forza Horizon 6 with PS4 or PS5 controllers. Fully working, and so without further ado, let me show you how you can do so. First of all, open a browser and then you need to just look for DS4 Windows. Click on DS4 Windows, then wait for a couple of seconds, then press download. It will be plenty of ads, so you need to just press on official download button. So you need to look for official DS4 Windows after you press download and press download again. Wait for a couple of seconds and then press this download button to get DS4 Windows. Then save it to whatever you like. Right click, extract all to desktop, for example. Then press on this folder here. Then scroll down, you'll see ds4 windows.exe. If you don't see exe file, press view, press show, and then you need to select file name extensions. And then you just need to click on it, right? And DS4 Windows open up like this. If you're running for the first time, probably you need to complete a few more steps. So first, this basically thing can open up. So select program folder, but real doesn't matter, it can be app data. Then you need to select your controllers. So if you're using the PS4 controller, select DS4 device support, and if you're using PS5 controller, DualSense device support. You can select them both, it really doesn't matter if you're using, for example, two controllers. Then you will see this window here and it says install VGM bus driver. So make sure to install VGM bus driver, and then once you're here, make sure here it says stop. If it says start, just press on it and it will be starting. Then connect your controller via Bluetooth or cable. For the better experience, I highly advise if there is ability to connect with cable, because the appearance will be way more smoother. Then you can need to try, just minimize this and try the game. Look if controller is working. If controller is not working, then we need to go to DS4 here, open, select profiles, select default, then go to other and make sure emulated controller is Xbox 360, right? Then save the changes, go to settings, and then make sure hide DS4 controller is selected, and then it should work for you. And then you just need to go to the game, and I will show you that this thing is working. So let me launch Forza Horizon 6. So guys, I just went to the game, and as you can see here, controller fully working. It will be a prompts or buttons like Xbox, but PS4, PS5 controller will definitely work, but basic explanations will be an Xbox, as you can see here, prompts. But nevertheless, it's fully working, so if I help you out, please press like.